Metal 3D printing of compliant mechanism. The aim of this project is to manufacture a metal compliant mechanism. 3D printing was selected due to its advantages in producing customized, complex, and lightweight parts. This project investigates the feasibility of 3D printing metal flexible joints, which have the potential to be used in numerous applications, including robotic industry, biomedical, and more. The main advantages of compliant mechanism include reduced part count, wide selection of production processes, price, precise motion, and others. The research gap is, can we integrate 3D printing to produce compliant mechanism? To answer this, selective laser melting of titanium alloy was investigated. Many challenges were identified as shown. This takes us to the research scope, problem, and method, followed by the development through one of these design options. Finally, to discover more about the results, join us at the University of Waikato Engineering Design Show.